This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma called on Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman in Delhi and sought funds for different projects under Special Central Assistance. He briefed the Union Minister on the progress of works for water supply scheme in Tura, Nongstoin and Greater Shillong. Mr. Sangma also informed about construction of new assembly building, upgradation of health infrastructure and setting up of residential schools. The Meghalaya government has requested the centre for additional sanction of around 200 crore rupees for ongoing projects in the state. Meghalaya registered 7 new COVID-19 cases, 6 from West Jaintia Hills and 1 from Ribhoi district and 4 more recoveries yesterday. The number of active cases in Meghalaya stands at 137, while the number of recovered cases is 13,608. The number of fatalities is 148. Till date, the number of confirmed COVID-19 cases stands at 13,893. Meanwhile, 9,017 healthcare workers have so far been vaccinated in Meghalaya with the first dose of Covishield. Nagaland reported 6 fresh cases of COVID-19 yesterday from Kohima. 3 more positive patients have also recovered in Dimapur. With the total confirmed cases at 12,166, the recovered cases in the state stand at 11,840. The number of active cases is 88. A total of 816 beneficiaries were vaccinated yesterday across Nagaland with Covishield. So far, 6,453 healthcare workers and 1,134 frontline workers from the administration and police have been inoculated. The number of persons vaccinated in the state was 7,587 till yesterday. State Immunization Officer Dr. Ritu Thur said no adverse effect needing medical intervention has been reported after vaccination. In Manipur, 7 new COVID-19 positive cases were detected yesterday, taking the total tally to 29,137. On the other hand, the number of persons who succumbed to COVID-19 infection was 373 on the last count. The Manipur Legislative Assembly yesterday passed demands for grants. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh said that a new regulated passengers fare for public transport will be notified soon. Mr. Singh also said that the Disaster Management Department played a significant role to combat the COVID pandemic since the very beginning. The State Disaster Rapid Force personnel were deployed to sensitive and hypersensitive zones and rendered their services when the state was facing a critical juncture due to the pandemic. In Assam, the Kaziranga National Park has recorded a total of 93,491 birds as per the latest census. Official sources informed that there are 112 bird species and 22 families were found during the enumeration. The recent bird census has witnessed an increase of over 59,000 birds in the Kaziranga National Park. Last year, the figure stood at 34,284. The carcasses of 20 critically endangered vultures were recovered from a field at Ghormora, Kabhibagan in the Sadia subdivision in Upper Assam's Tinsukia district. The villagers spotted the 28 critically endangered vultures lying on the field and immediately informed forest officials. They rescued 8 vultures and sent them for treatment at Tinsukia. The Meghalaya Joint Action Committee of Commercial Vehicles yesterday held a sit-in demonstration in Shillong demanding further reduction in prices of petrol and diesel. Different commercial vehicle organizations were univocal that they were not interested in increasing the fare of commercial vehicles as this will affect the passengers. They maintained that the Meghalaya government can easily lower the price of fuel as it is a state subject by reducing the various vehicle taxes. Taxis have not been plying in Meghalaya for a number of days now due to the ongoing strike. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh presented a cash reward of 10 lakh rupees to a village in Ukhrul district for the crusade launched by them against drug menace. The cash reward was given to pay Pawi village authorities for voluntarily destroying poppy plants grown in their village as part of the state government's war on drugs campaign. Lauding the villagers, Chief Minister Biren Singh said that the Manipur government has been putting in the best possible efforts to curb drug abuse and trafficking. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.